Alright, now since all of you have an understanding of what a verb or a verb of movement is, now I want all of you to open up your Pulse 2 textbook and turn to page 77. Yes, page 77. Now, are all of you done? Have you turned to page 77? Yes? Alright, good. Now, I want all of you to look at the first exercise, which is the exercise 1, and look at the grey box that is filled with words for verb of movements, and look at each of the words and see if there are any words that some of you don't understand. Just raise your hands and ask me for the definition. Alright? So, is there anyone who don't understand some of the words? Don't be shy, I won't bite you. I'm not a tiger, you know. Alright? No? Alright, good. Now, I want all of you to please pay attention and don't make any sounds or play with your friends while I play the audio, right? Because some of you may not heard it clearly or be distracted with your friends, so please don't make any sounds or movement. Alright, let me play it.
Unit 7. Vocabulary and Listening. Verbs of Movement 1. Exercise 1.
Sail, fly, climb, drive, cross, fall, crash, carry, pull, push, follow, arrive, take off, land.
Alright, now, does anyone have any problem listening to audio? Or is the audio loud enough? Alright, good. Now, do I need to play it again? Or did anyone catch what all of the words are? Yes, alright, good. Now, I want all of you to look at the box that are in the first exercise and see whether any of the words that you can see can be used without an equipment. And I'll give you about 10 seconds to think of the answer, and I'll pick about 4 volunteers to answer the question, alright? You can start now. Alright. Okay. Can anyone volunteer for the first answer? Alright, how about you, Kimi? Alright. So your answer is? Kimi answer is cross. Correct. You don't need to use any equipment to cross the road. Now, Kimi, why don't you pick someone to share the second answer? You pick Khairul. Khairul, now why don't you share your answers? Yes, your answer is fall. Correct. Right, now, why don't you pick your next victim? Aina. Alright, Aina, what is your answer? Pool. Correct. Alright, now Aina, the last victim. Zira. Alright, Zira, Aina pick you. Now, what are your answer? Follow. Correct. Now that all of you have an understanding of the words for the verb of movement, I've written 2 words for all of you, car and bicycle, and I want all of you to use the words or verb of movement that you have just hear or read, or any verb of movement word that you know, and try to combine it with these two words, car and bicycle. I'll give you about 10 seconds to think of the answers, and I'll pick about four volunteers, alright? You can start now. Alright, time's up. Now, does anyone want to volunteer on the first? What word can you combine? What verb of movement that you can combine? Kimi? Yes? Correct. You can drive a car. Alright. Next, does anyone want to volunteer, or do I need to pick out a person randomly? Zira. Yes, Zira. What word can you combine? What verb of movement can you combine? Pull. Yes, you can pull a bicycle. Now, is there? Okay, Cairo. Alright. Now, hit a car. Yes, you can hit a car, but please no, don't do it in real life. Alright. Now, for the last person, Aina. Alright, Aina. What verb of movement can you use? Yes, you can arrive in a car. Alright.